Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and CarWash.com, and this is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash E-News, Andover Properties has launched Squeeky's Car Wash, a wholly owned brand to own and operate car wash assets nationally. Andover has already acquired 3 car washes in Florida and South Carolina that'll become Squeeky's Car Wash locations. Each location will undergo a significant renovation to upgrade and modernize equipment and their appearance. I had an exclusive interview with Andover Properties Vice President of Acquisitions, Eric Brett. He says Andover Properties is looking to put Squeeky's car washes in high population areas.
I think we're very focused on population density, markets that have growing populations where people are moving, picking great real estate that's surrounded by demand drivers like retail, and these all fit the bill.
Additional properties are under contract to be acquired. Splash Car Wash has opened its 65th location, an express wash in Johnson City, New York. It's Splash's 40th car wash in the state. The new site has a 130-foot conveyor wash and is outfitted with 16 free vacuum stations. Splash has construction set to begin soon in Springfield, Massachusetts, as well as Newburgh and Nanuet, New York. Openings for these sites are anticipated for the summer of 2025. Express Wash Concepts is continuing its Detroit Metro expansion with the grand opening of a 3rd Clean Express Auto Wash in Waterford Township, Michigan. From November 14th through the 24th, the new Clean Express is offering a free signature Cleanest Ultra and Ceramic Car Wash to all customers. Customers can also sign up for the grand opening Unlimited Wash Club special for 50% off their first 3 months. More grand opening promotions are available, and as the official car wash of the Detroit Red Wings, Clean Express will donate $10 for each Unlimited Wash Club sign-up to the Detroit Red Wings Foundation. An additional 35 EWC locations are scheduled to open up through 2025, including 9 across Detroit. And finally, in the PC&D world, we've released another episode of WashTalk, the Car Wash podcast. Host Rich DiPaolo talks with Alexandra Feldman and Kenny Kraft of Houlihan Lokey. They talk about the U.S. car wash industry's latest trends, challenges, and opportunities. Feldman and Kraft touch on the industry's resilience, consolidation trends, and the driving forces behind recent M&A activity. They even share their projections for how these trends will evolve.
It does feel like we're nearing a point where we're kind of turning the corner in M&A processes and expect 2025 to be a more active year for a variety of reasons.
Feldman and Kraft had a lot more to say on the car wash industry in this episode, so be sure to watch it on our website, carwash.com. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-news and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.